Hello and welcome to Mini Course, your gateway to bite-sized learning. Today, we're taking a crucial step forward in refining your research focus, breaking down the problem into specific questions. Let's dive into the suggested steps with a practical illustration. Here are suggested steps to come up with specific questions. To illustrate. Title: Performance of Faculty of XXX University. Step 1. Write the main problem or objective. To determine the level of performance of the faculty of XXX University. Step 2. Identify the key concern and the auxiliary concerns. Key concern, level of performance. Auxiliary concern /S, comparison of performance by certain groupings. Factors that may influence performance. Step 3. Analyze how the key and auxiliary concerns may be classified. The classification serves as the specifics. Performance of the faculty may be classified according to the functions of the university, thus: A. Performance in instruction. B. Performance in research. C. Performance in extension. Comparison of performance may be according to the following: A. According to academic rank. B. According to the college or department. With the foregoing outline, students would have an idea of the options to undertake in dealing with the main problem. Step 4. Decide on the option. A. Focus on the key concerns, or B. Include an auxiliary concern, which one? Or, include all the identified auxiliary concerns, or C. Focus on one classification of the key concern and include all the auxiliary concerns, or other probable mix. Step 5. Write the specific questions based on Step 3 and Step 4. Example, Option A. Key concern only. 1. What is the level of performance of the faculty in instruction along the functional components? A. Preparation of course guides and instructional materials. B. Conduct of lectures, and C. Student evaluation. 2. What is the level of performance of the faculty in research and extension along the following areas? A. Planning phase, B. Implementation phase, C. Evaluation phase. Note, the further breaking into smaller units of the key concern depends on the perspective chosen by the student. Example B, Option B, Include and auxiliary concern, comparison of performance. 1. What is the level of performance of the faculty along the following functions? A. Instruction, B. Research, C. Extension. 2. What is the level of performance according to the following groupings? A. By academic rank, B. By college/department. Note, the researcher may decide to probe further, hence a third question may be included. 3. In what academic function is there a significant variation in performance according to academic rank? Or according to college, or both? This ends our lesson for today. Remember, the questions you ask shape the depth of your study. In our next video, we'll explore more examples for writing specific questions. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you for taking the time to learn with our mini course.